Hey everyone, I'm Wagga Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. No, I don't want to throw all three products at the same time. If you stop by because you love seeing what people pick up when Ulta does a 40% off drugstore sale, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Okay, who knew? I recently did a 21 Days of Beauty Ulta haul. I did 2 separate purchases. And because I don't have enough points or whatever, I don't get free shipping. So what I do is to hit that, I think it's $35 to get free shipping, I stock up on my drugstore products. But guess what Ulta does? As soon as that 21 Days of Beauty sale ends, they start another sale focusing on drugstore brands. And it's like up to 40% off. Good Lord, Ulta. So next year, I think I'm just going to focus on the sale after the 21 Days of Beauty, unless they have something really bougie that I really need or want. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in. No, I didn't make 3 separate purchases. They shipped out in 3 different packages. Let's start with the bags and then we'll end with the box because to me it feels like the bags only maybe have 1 item in them. Okay, yes. The first bag has 1 item in it, and I'm super excited. This here is the Clean Fresh Yummy Gloss from Covergirl. This has gone viral. I've seen so many people talk about it, put it in their raves and rejects or love products. I've been dying to give this a try. Plus, if you follow me, thank you. If you're new, welcome. You know I love lip gloss. Let's take a sniff. Oh my goodness. It smells softly sweet, like a fruity sweet. Don't ask me what specific fruit, but she smells yummy. And of course, I loaded up with lots of lip gloss for me to start filming. Oh, I should have thought things through. I'm just going to go in on top. You know, why not? Ooh, that feels nice. It feels a little thick, but it's not sticky. Ooh. I'm going to enjoy that. Ooh, and it even tastes, not that I eat my lip gloss, but anything that goes on your lips, you can't help but, you know, taste. And it tastes good too. All right, let's open up the second bag and see what's in here. Ooh, yes. Okay, so this product here is from Flower Beauty, and it's the Lowlight Liquid Contour. Supposedly, this is going to be a dupe or dupe-ish for, there's so many products out now, but the original is from Charlotte Tilbury, and now e.l.f. has one that I can't get my hands on because they're all sold out in the shades that I would use. All right, does this twist up and have a lock? Oh, it does? Okay. I don't think the e.l.f. product does, so this is more of a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury. So you squeeze it up, lock it down, and ooh, that is a fantastic shade for me. I love how it's cool toned. Let's blend it out. Okay, yes. Cannot wait to give that product a try. I think this would be beautiful on someone with very, very fair skin. All right, let's dive into the box now. I am a drugstore girl at heart who is slowly but surely over time enjoying more and more high-end products, but I still love drugstore. Okay, what is this? Yeah, I do the shopping, but I forget. This here is from the Ulta Beauty brand, and it's a Wannabe Active Makeup Setting Spray. Why would I buy a setting spray? Wait, does this have SPF in it? I've been wanting to pick up some kind of a mist or spray that has SPF in it. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Yes, this has broad spectrum SPF 50. That's why I picked this up. All right, now let's hope and pray that it has a good mister. Ooh, that looks very fine. Is it 7 o'clock at night? Yes, it is. Does that smell like alcohol? Yes, it does. Oh God, the first ingredient is denatured alcohol. Hopefully the SPF 50 makes up for that. Ooh, my dry skin. No, But if I ever go outside and get sun, even though I use SPF, it's under my makeup and 2 hours later, this will be good just to keep in my purse in the event I'm out and about and need a refresh of SPF. Next item. Ooh, do I need brushes? No. Do I love and enjoy brushes from Real Techniques? Yes, I do. And I've been picking up a lot of eyeshadow brushes lately. I need some more face brushes. And this package set, whatever you want to call it, from Real Techniques, has some nice, more dense kind of brushes for cream products. All right. Oh, and you get a sponge. Yeah, I need a sponge like I need a whole head. All right, but I'm excited to get that. And specifically, I think it was 30% off. Don't quote me. Each brand had a separate or different sale going on, but everything I picked up was on sale. All right, next item is another of the Covergirl Clean Fresh Yummy Glosses. And this one is in the shade Havana Good Time. Let's see if it has a different scent. Ooh, this one smells like watermelon. I love when lip products smell like watermelon. Okay, so you can see the difference. One is a little darker pink, and honestly, I think once they're on their lips, you won't see a difference. But hey, let's experiment and see if that theory holds true. It is slightly darker, and to be fair, one of these days I will try it on when I have 0 lip products on my face already. That one tastes good too. All right, what else did I get? All right, I don't know why. I own 5,000, but lately I've been on a blush kick. This here is from Essence, and it's the Pure Nude Baked Blush. I've heard really good things about this product. It, again, is on many people's favorites. Let's do a little swatch. Can you even see that? My lights are so bright. It's a nice, soft pink, perfect for springtime. It also has a nice shimmer. It's not glittery or super highlighty, but it does have a nice little shimmer to it. All right, this next product is also from Flower Beauty. This here is the Get Real Serum Concealer. I have it in the shade Porcelain, which through the bottle looks like it may be a little light, but let's do a swatch. First of all, that is what the doe foot applicator looks like. It's kind of short and stubby and has like a little teeny cup to pick up product. That is nice. All right, it is right there. It does look a little light, but doable. Let me know if you'd be interested in seeing a first impression try-on review. All right, the last item is this product here from Physicians Formula. This here is the Butter Bronzer Palette. This will be the 4th or 5th product recently I've picked up from Physicians Formula. I went from not buying anything from that brand for years to lately I'm on a Physicians Formula kick. This here is what the product looks like. You get 3 different shades. Let's do some swatches, although in person these are very warm toned. I'm gonna ponder on this, and I think I may return it. I just don't want to swatch it and then never reach for it because it's too warm for me. I prefer a neutral to cool tone when it comes to contour and bronzing, but that's what happens when you shop online and you see photos. It looked like it'd be okay, but honestly in person it is very warm. All right, that was everything in my haul. Let me take a look at the packing slip to make sure they didn't forget something. All right, yes, it looks like they got everything correct. Let me recap everything I picked up. So I got this makeup brush set from Real Techniques, the Pure Nude Baked Blush from Essence in the shade Pink Flush, the Butter Bronzer Palette from Physicians Formula, the Wannabe Active Makeup Setting Spray with SPF 50 from Ulta Beauty, the Flower Beauty Get Real Serum Concealer in the shade Porcelain, the Flower Beauty Lowlight Liquid Contour in the shade Light, and 2 of the Yummy Glosses from Covergirl. What are your thoughts? Have you tried or used any of these products? Did you also take advantage of the up to 40% off of drugstore product sales that Ulta was having. I love shopping, as you're probably well aware. I love makeup and I love drugstore, and trying new products excites me. So I am super excited to give these products a try. Let me know if you've tried any of them, and if so, which are your favorites. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor, clicking that thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.